Hey, Mr.
Avery, are you getting up?
Hey, Mr. Kitty. My dad's name is not Avery, and he's not asleep right now. Wait, this is a documentary on the kitty.
No!
Yeah.
No!
Yeah.
No!
1 second. I'm gonna turn up the light. There we go.
Come on!
Mr. Kitty's running to the bathroom. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's Mr. Kitty. Hey, Mr. Kitty, what you been doing? Yeah, you like it? Hey, Mr. Kitty. Hey, Mr. Kitty, you're so fluffy. Ew, Lily, look, it's poopy. Ew, ah. This is a documentary on. What's our cat's name, Lily?
Fly!
No, his name is not Fly. His name is Whiskey.
Mitzi!
Yeah, our mom named him that.
Yeah! See?
She says she named it that because Whiskey is lovable and easy to live with. Ah. Ah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That made you do that!
Well, this has been my special documentary on Mr. Whiskey. So, Whiskey, how you been doing? You like it? Yeah?
Him.
Pay attention to me.
Hello.
Put that iPod up.
Whiskey. So, Whiskey, do you like... Oh, Lily. Put that in his ear and then blow it.
No.
Okay, fine. Nya, 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 nya. Nya, 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 nya. What? He sees me. He sees me. Hey, Whiskey. You're on YouTube. You're a star. Yay, Whiskey. And...